problems and linear today. Just like these yesterday, but instead of being given the slope or the y-intercept in the problem, we're gonna have to figure those out. So we got Julia has been measuring the length of her baby's hair. After 3 months, it was 12 centimeters long. After 8 months, it was 22 centimeters long. We need the equation, show the length of the baby's hair y after X months. What you need to do is make ordered pairs. All right, you need to pay attention to what they are telling you in the problem. It tells us X months. That means months is the X value. Generally, the things are grouped together by sentences or just grouped together within one sentence. But we got 3 months, 12 centimeters long. Those go together. That's an ordered pair. Then for the other one, right there, we got 8 months, 22 centimeters long. Then all you're doing is you're finding the slope. So to find the slope, it's changing y over changing x. So we're going from 12 to 22. We're going from 3 to 8. So that's 10 over 5, which is 2. That's our slope. Y-intercept, we plug into y equals mx plus b. I'll use the first point, just got lower numbers. So we got 12 equals 2 times 3 plus b. Well, 2 times 3 is 6. 12 minus. So we write the equation. We got y equals 2x plus 6. Questions on that one? So the not really tricky part, but the key part of this is setting up your ordered pairs correctly to begin with. If you set them up incorrectly, it's going to mess up kind of like the rest of it. Just be careful with how you do that. Try. We got Jacob digging in the earth. When he is 10 centimeters deep, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. 20 meters deep, the temperature is 36 degrees Celsius. We need an equation that shows the temperature T when he digs m meters. Lacey? Y equals 16 over 10x plus 4. All right, we do want to use the variables they gave us though. So we got T equals, this is a case actually where you will end up seeing the decimals. So when we're dealing with graphs, when we're finding stuff, our fractions are going to be better. When you deal with the word problems and you're trying to get equations, especially if you're using a calculator, the decimals are going to be easier to work with. Okay, so she said 16 over 10. 16 divided by 10 gives you 1.6. So if you had 16 over 10 or 8 over 5, if you simplified, those would work also. All right, so our ordered pairs, we had 10 and 20. Then we had 20 and 36. So our change in y from 20 to 36 is 16. Change in x is 10. So that's like she said. We divide, we got 1.6. So when we do our y equals mx plus b, we'll go with 20 equals 1.6 times 10 plus b. 1.6 times 10 is 16. You need to add 4 more to get to 20, so that's where the 4 comes from. Any questions there? This is not difficult math to do, but it requires you setting things up correctly to get it correct. Place. Y'all, they talk about like pizza and the number of toppings. So just not 3 topping pizza function for the cost C of a pizza with T toppings. No, not quite. Jesse? All right, so we got C equals 1.13 T plus, and you're going to get $6.35. All right, so when we set up our ordered pair, all right. So you do $1.13 times 5. That gives you $5.65. So you got 12 equals 565 plus B, and you just subtract that from 12. So our B value is that $6.35. Having a calculator, a magical device that automatically does it all for you. You got turn on Nicole. C. So changing Y, we're going from 31.75 to 46.75. That's a change of 15. X values are going from 5 to 8. That's a change of 3. That's where our 5 comes from. Doesn't matter which one you use. This one's probably easier to see it on. So 5 times 8 is 40. We do M times slope times the X value. To get from 40 to 46, we need to add 675. Or sorry, to 46. Questions on that one?